In this video, I'm sharing how you can get a paying client in 30 days or less. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. There are a multitude of ways that you can go about getting a paid client, and there really isn't one way that's better than another, at least in my opinion. It's really about what's going to work best for you in terms of driving results. Now, one way that has really worked for me has been cold emailing. And cold emailing is basically you sending messages via email to prospective clients who you feel would be viable to work with. Now, there are a lot of steps to cold emailing, but I like to break it down into 3 main steps. 1, have a plan. 2, send a value add message. And 3, always follow up. Regarding having a plan, one question that you may have is how do you actually go about constructing that plan? Well, you want to have an understanding of who you're targeting, where are they located, and how can you go about solving a pain point for them. Let's say that you are within the nursing niche and you're located within Dallas, Texas, and you decide that this is where you want to execute your search. Well, your search would consist of companies with multiple openings for nursing within the Dallas, Texas area. And notice that I said multiple openings. This is where the pain point comes in. If the companies that you're targeting have multiple openings and they have been open for some time, then it's a visible pain point that you can come in and help solve for them. Now, I know you probably recognize that that search is pretty broad and you want to keep it broad. That's actually a good thing. This just ensures that you have a larger pool of prospective clients to reach out to. Now, once you've gathered these prospective clients that you want to reach out to, the next step is to go ahead and send a message to the decision maker. And remember, a decision maker is anyone who has the power to put a contract in place. And the message that you send to the decision maker should be value add from a content perspective. Remember, these prospective clients are extremely busy, and if they actually do open up your message and take a look at it, they're only going to review it for a few seconds tops. This is why you don't want to come off as the used car salesman in your emails. Your main goal is to recognize the pain point that they have and then address it in terms of the value that you can bring to them in order to solve that pain point. Now, if you have enjoyed this video so far, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop weekly. Lastly, you want to make sure that you are following up. You have to keep in mind that cold emailing is also a numbers game. Truth be told, it's going to take more than a couple emails before you actually get a response. In fact, it can take anywhere from 7 to 10 emails before you actually hear something back. When you get to email number 3, 4, or 5, and you're frustrated because you haven't heard anything back, keep going. Continue to follow up. Keep in mind that success is on the other side of that continuous follow-up. So to recap, there are 3 steps to cold emailing that you want to take into consideration. Step number 1 is to have a plan. Step number 2 is to send a value add message. And then step number 3 is to always follow up. And while all of these are important, I would definitely say that step number 3 is going to be the difference between those who are able to land a client in 30 days or less and those who are not. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you are not in my Facebook group, then I don't know what you're waiting for. Go down below. I'll leave the link in the description box and be sure to join. We are in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.